welcome everybody to another Rock and Wrench video. This video we're actually going to be working on some cars, not just cleaning them. The Camaro has a very wobbly steering column. I got it that way, and I need to take the steering wheel off to get to that, to fix it. There's a couple bolts in there that can tighten it down. I think that's what happened. Common issue with these old Camaros, old Chevys actually. You'll see me very cautious with this steering wheel because there's an airbag in it and the airbag light was on. Make sure that whenever you work on an airbag you disconnect the battery and it stays disconnected for a half an hour or more. I like to do a lot more. I usually disconnect it for a couple hours up to a day just to make sure that the system doesn't have any residual charge in it. Airbags can be very dangerous, so be careful when you're working on a car with an airbag on it. You'll see some stuff in the video. I'll talk more about it after the video. This week's featured artist is Petey Normal. This is one of the songs off of his new album, Applesauce.
We interrupt this incredibly important broadcast to bring you the following urgent message. I don't care about you anymore.
All the pretty songs you've got me singing. I keep waiting for that telephone to ring. All these questions keep on running through my mind. Why do I even keep on trying? I'm sick of the constant pushing and pulling, but when you're gonna be nothing, you win. You're gonna feel nothing. I think you're crazy inside, but baby, so am I. You got me in your sights, and I know it's gonna bite, but I like the way it hurts. I like the way it hurts. I like the way it hurts. Oh, I like the way it hurts. 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 Oh, I like the way it hurts.
Not even one flying...
Why don't we just give this one more little try? Maybe we could find a way to survive. I over-contemplate and things start getting rough. I think maybe that I've had enough. Hated complaining, I got this pain in my brain, and I think I'm going insane, and I think I'm going insane, and I think I'm stuck on repeat. Oh God, I need some relief. You got me in your eyes, and I think I'm gonna die, but I like the way it hurts. I like the way it hurts. I like the way it hurts. Oh, I like the way it hurts. 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 Oh, I like the way it hurts. Thank you so very much. Like the way it hurts.
Alright, so there was a very bad practice of mine, and I realized and I corrected it. I put my hand through the steering wheel when working on the airbag. That's a very bad thing to do. You notice I took it out really quick right away. If that airbag were to go off, for whatever reason, it would have broken my arm. So make sure that you're very careful. You don't get your hands and arms locked anywhere when you're working on airbags. Also, make sure that you have the right tools for the job. Like you saw in there, I switched to a ball head Allen wrench. It was a lot easier after that. You saw how much quicker it went after I went to the ball head rather than the flat head, because there was just it allowed me to angle the wrench a little bit and get a little bit more access. You saw me give a sarcastic thumbs up towards the middle of the video when I got the airbag swivel off, the wiring swivel off. The reason I just pulled that thing out is because those wires were completely frayed. I knew I was going to have to replace that whole thing, so don't normally just pull on wiring and break it, but that was completely gone. And that's why I gave some sarcastic thumbs up in the middle. Those snap rings towards the end, they're a pain to get sometimes. Sometimes they come off real easy, sometimes they don't. This one did not come off easy. So the tools that we used, we had the steering wheel puller, obviously. We had snap ring pliers that you'll need, and we had the lock ring compressor that allowed me to get that snap ring out at the end. I'll put links to all these tools you can get in the description of the video. And also we have, I got some new samples of merch in. We got the black and white hat that you've seen on the website. We got the brown hat, the kind of brown and tan trucker hat, and the normal gray hat. This one's a flex fit. The other two are trucker snapbacks. But if you like these designs, if you like these hats, go pick one up. Support me. Help me keep doing content on this channel. But for now, and as always, keep rocking, keep wrenching. Thanks for watching.